Hello everyone, today we went to the rice field to get some food. As you guys see here are frogs. If you want to see how we cook and eat frogs, so please click subscribe to my channel and follow my Facebook page. And then let's see together. Thank you. We use fishing net to catch some food as fish, freshwater crabs, snail and frogs. Our topic today, we want to show how we catch and eat frogs. Eating frog is common in many cultures and is considered a delicacy in some cuisines. Here are several points about this video of eating frog. Health benefits: lean protein. Frog are low in fat and high in protein, making them a healthy choice for those looking to increase their protein intake without consuming too many calories. They are a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin B12, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Low in calories asterisk asterisk. Frogs are relatively low in calories compared to other meat options. We cooked frogs with lemongrass and prickle lime, and the taste is sour and spicy. versatile preparation. Frogs can be prepared in various ways, such as frying, grilling, or sautéing. They often take on the flavor of the seasonings used, making them suitable for many cuisines. The taste of frogs are often compared to chicken or fish, providing an interesting alternative for adventurous eaters. Our video is going to the end, so I would like to say thank you so much for watching our video. Your support truly means the world to us. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update from us. Hit that notification bell too, so you'll be the first to know when we post something new.